You are now listening to 15 Minutes of Fame Radio.
Let's go!
The biggest names, the biggest stage. Battle Rap's most exciting tournament makes its return. URL's Ultimate Madness 5, the quarterfinals. Saturday, June the 4th, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Live and for free on Caffeine.
Suge gotta stay on his job, cause the only thing this fat ass nigga really do is improv. They keep asking me what the fuck I got for you. M5 for 100K, I have to slide. You have to die. Told Smack, fuck a plane, I have to drive. That way when this bullshit is all over, I'm only gonna have to get one thing straight. My alibi. You get me? You get me?
15 minutes of fame!
You are now listening to 15 Minutes of Fame Radio.
Let's go!